विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome, devotees. In the series of other important Shivlings in Kashi, in this episode we will see Hareshwar, Harikesheshwar, and Hastipaleshwar. Hareshwar. According to Kashikand chapter 69, there are 68 places of worship dedicated to Lord Shiva in this holy place. Various idols, shivlings have been brought from several other places and installed in Kashi. From Harishchandra Kshetra, one ling by name of Hareshwar has appeared in the holy city of Kashi. By worshipping this deity, the devotees will always be victorious in their ventures. Hareshwar is located in the Shakti Peeth called Keshava Peeth, and any prayers performed here will yield multiple benefits. Hareshwar is located at Rajghat Fort, Adikeshav Temple. Devotees can travel up to this place by auto rickshaw or cycle rickshaw or car. Harikesheshwar. Kashikand chapter 100 has prescribed Antargrihi Yatra to be performed daily by devotees. Among various deities mentioned in the above yatra, Kashikand mentions Harikesheshwar in the vicinity of Agasteshwar. Devotees who worship Harikesheshwar will find all happiness coming their way. They will remain healthy and will attain moksha. Harikesheshwar is located in the vicinity of Vimal Aditya behind Khari Kuan near Godolia. Khari Kuan is a famous place and devotees can reach this place by auto rickshaw or cycle rickshaw. Hastipaleshwar. As per Kashikand chapter 97, Lord Shiva described various sacred tirths, kuvs, that is wells, and places of worship in Kashi. Lord Shiva mentioned about Hastipaleshwar Ling. Worshipping this ling is equivalent to worshipping an elephant. According to learned persons, such devotees will reach a position whereby they can keep elephants in their houses. In other words, they will become very rich. Hastipaleshwar is located in the premises of Mrityunjay Mahadev, which is a very famous place in the vicinity of Kal Bhairav. Devotees can reach this place by auto or cycle rickshaw.